Hello everyone, this is Ohtan Wang. I'm a professor of biology at NYU Abu Dhabi, and this is Autocomplete Science Series CGSB edition. Okay, so we got questions. The first one, do brain cells die? Yes, they do. But fortunately, they also regenerate. So by the time we turn to 50, all the neurons in our brain have gone one turnover. So they're all different from the ones that we are born with to keep our brain fresh. So good news. Does brain size matter? Good question. It does and doesn't. So the recent human generations have expanded our cortex through evolution. And as the result, our forebrain has become larger and larger in size and mass. And this is what we have gained, through the process of evolution. On the other hand, if we acknowledge ourselves as the most intelligent species on the earth, it's obvious we don't have the largest brains. Whales, elephants, and dolphins all have larger brains than us, and they are definitely intelligent. But are they more intelligent than us? Possibly not. Does the brain sleep when we sleep? Nah, the brain doesn't sleep. When we're sleeping, our heart is beating, we're breathing, and our brain is at work. I actually teach a core course here at NYU Abu Dhabi, which is called 24 Hours in Our Brain. So our brain is at work around the clock. But the brain does work a bit differently when we are asleep. The neurons communicate in a different mode, in a slightly different way. So when we are asleep, the brain has to sort out the sensory information that we have received during the day and consolidate the important ones into long-term changes, biochemical changes, structural changes, and functional changes, and let the rest release so we don't accumulate. So, as we sleep, actually, the brain is also in a repair mode, right? So it has to get rid of the toxins that have built up during the day, repair the cells, repair the connections, and so we can have good rest and get ready for the next day. So the brain is busy when we are asleep. How do neurons work? Neurons work by connecting and transmitting signals between each other. Sometimes to their neighbor neurons, sometimes to neurons that are very, very far away. The way they communicate with each other is through the electrical signals and also chemical signals. And so no neurons work in an isolated condition. It doesn't work that way. And our brain is designed to have the architecture that facilitates their communication. So yeah, I think that's how neurons work. Okay, next. Are neurons only in the brain? No, they're not only in the brain. You'll find the motor neurons in our spinal cord. You will find vagal neurons that connect the peripheral organs with our brain. You'll also find neurons in the peripheral organs. For example, we have done experiments that show us that if you stimulate the enteric neurons, these are the neurons that are in clusters inside the intestinal wall. By stimulating these neurons, you can actually stimulate brain activity, which connect to the brown fat tissue to boost metabolism, to burn fat. So yes, you can find neurons outside of the brain, definitely. Can neurons repair themselves? The current consensus is the peripheral neurons can repair themselves, and the neurons in the central nervous system do not repair themselves. But I'm not sure whether this is going to be continuously to be true. And the reason for that is that it's possible that we just haven't found the right conditions and the right context. Maybe with some help with medical advances, with technology advances, it's possible that neurons can repair themselves, just like they did when they were in the developing brain. So I think the answer is probably they can. We just haven't found the right condition. Neuroscientists do. Do you become a neuroscientist? What inspired you to